Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my video topic is transform visitor to loyal fans. I previous in videos I already guide you how you get monetization and what is monetization and other topics I already explained. You can check in my channel, and now we will start this topic. Before starting, I request you kindly subscribe my channel and dislike this video and fully watch this video to understand the transformation of the visitor to loyal fans. Now we will start. I always show you this table of content. You understand what we uh, study, and now our topic is 2.3, how to transform your blog visitor into loyal fans. So let's start. This is very simple to transform the visitor to loyal fans. You provide best content on your platform. I will guide you and explain how you do this. We have already covered the importance of providing valuable content in chapter 1. It's what our definition of monetization is all about after all. Remember, making money by providing something of value, but no matter how great the value, if your content is difficult to absorb, no one will want to read it in the first place. So let's go over some ways on how to write engaging content. Let's see how to write engaging contents. This is the meaty part of the chapter. This is where you get to show off your writing chops. Here I will go over some key principles on how to increase engagement and make sure your readers are glad to your articles until the very end. We will also briefly cover the technical aspects of blogging and why they are critical for your monetization effects. You know that voice in your head that's talking while you are reading this. Turns out that's a real voice. Small muscular movements in the larynx accompany your inner voice. How cool is that? Readably, readably is important because it's about how easy it is for your readers to understand your message. The Flash Grenade readability test are the stand according system for going a text readability level, keeping in mind that the average American reads at a 7th 8th grade level. You should always try to communicate your message in as simple a manner as possible. After all, if a message is too difficult to read, what are the chances you will try to figure out what it's trying to tell you? If you are blogging on WordPress, Yes SEO plugin already comes equipped with a Flash channeled readability feature. You can easily keep track of your readability level for every post. Also be sure to write in short paragraphs of 1 to 4 sentences. Long paragraphs are hard to digest on the web, especially when they are formatted in a single column. Font choice and legibility. Font choice is an important consideration for two reasons. First is it says a lot about your brand's personality. Second is it has to be easy to read. It's not over when you click publish, just become you click publish. Once you are done writing does not mean people will land on your page automatically and read your article. It's the most common mistake noise voice bloggers make. Writing the article is not even half the battle, it's more like 20%. The real work comes with promoting it, and there's just so many ways to promote your writing. It is not only about backlinks, which we will get to an second. It's also about active engagement. That means you have to be a part of an active network of bloggers in your particular. Next, encourage action among yourselves. Read other blogs in your network and leave thoughtful comments. Too often people leave haphazard comments and expect a comment back. Do not. If you leave enough thoughtful comments over time, the other bloggers will do so as well. Backlinks are a gold mine for blog monetization. Backlinks are links from sites that link back to you. The greater the number of authoritative sites linking back to you, the higher your website will appear. When someone searches for a particular keyword related to your neck, but not all backlinks are created equal. In fact, Google sources high authority sites higher than their low authority counterparts, meaning if sites like Amazon and Yahoo link back to your blog, your authority would be much higher than if your mumboblog.com and your sister blog give you backlinks. You can easily see in the image I show you the how you get the audience and how which is high authority sites and low authority sites. The high authority sites get audience through Facebook, WordPress, and link added platforms where you add your website link. This is the high authority sites. You get high customers in your website. The low authority sites is one by one persons you send link in other platform like WhatsApp, Facebook messengers. This is low authority sites. And now our topic is, and I suggest you kindly watch my before all videos. You understand how to monetize and other topics. Now video is end. Kindly subscribe my channel and do not forget press the bell icon for getting notification new videos in future, and also like my video, and thanks for watching.